The idea of a foldable iPhone has been gaining momentum. As leaks and patents suggest, Apple is exploring multiple designs that blend portability with premium durability. Unlike many early foldables, Apple is reportedly focusing on creating a device that folds without a visible crease, using advanced hinge mechanics and stronger flexible OLED technology. The foldable iPhone is expected to offer a larger inner display for multitasking, gaming, and media, while keeping a compact outer form for regular use. Apple is also likely to integrate enhanced software features within iOS to optimize the folding experience, enabling seamless transitions between screen modes and improved split-screen productivity. As always, the company is expected to prioritize long-term reliability, premium build quality, and tight ecosystem integration, making the foldable iPhone a potential standout in a market that's still evolving. While no official release date has been confirmed, growing rumors suggest Apple is preparing something significant, possibly launching its first foldable device within the next product cycle or two.